Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open, so you guys can see my entries, exits, the good days and the bad, all that stuff, man. If you want to join me on that journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it. It's Tuesday, November 12th, and we got some good earnings plays popping up today. Yo, what up, Q? Shop. Definitely at the top of the list. Crazy gap up. Good earnings. Kind of almost too big of a gap though. Like too big of a gap, and then like just too much going on in pre-market. I don't know. And then SEC Unlimited. Also pretty crazy gap. But good earnings. And Shop definitely has the volume. But I like EVGO just because of the bounce, like higher low right here. And this little group of days has, the highest volume since like this day here. But we are gapping into this area, so it's a bit questionable, but I kind of like it over this high right here. Like we get into $7, I think it could possibly do something. But the earnings is crazy though. Like the earnings is really good. Like triple digit percent increases. You know, you see that Q? Yeah. So I'm just I'm watching it. I don't plan to trade it stupidly. I never do, but sometimes it happens. But hopefully, I'm just gonna wait. Yesterday, I took a reversal trade before confirmation, and I just FOMO'd. Like I was like, wow, this is a really good dip, good candle, good volume. Let's just buy it here instead of waiting for confirmation. And then I got stopped out. So then it showed some confirmation later, and then I took that trade, and that trade worked. So sorry about my shirt, guys. I just picked I'm wearing a construction shirt today. It's neon green, and it doesn't like the green screen too much, but it is what it is. Oh, you sold the Mars swing already? Ah, man. You took profit on it yesterday too, though, right? Dang, that thing went up to 27. Ah, yeah, it does, man. I remember that morning I traded DJT in pre-market and was up 4R, even though all I did was throw it away. uh, Threw it straight out the window. But it's better than starting with nothing and going into the hole. So, yo, signature. What's going on? What we looking at today, man? I got shop and I got SE on earnings. I know that those are your type of plays, right, sir? Is there anything else that I could possibly have my attention on? Something I should swap EVGO out for? Not really seeing nothing. TSN. Oh, you got HD? Nah, this real money signature. I've been on real money since last week. Was that right? Yeah, I think I traded all last week on real money. Or half the week or something like that. Yeah, man, we back in the game, signature. TSN has no pre-market volume at all. HD. Ooh, that's expensive. Nice gap up. Crappy looking pre-market. Stick with SE Shop and EVGO. What's TGI? TGI reminds me of Ninja Turtles. TGI has a really nice gap, actually. Just no volume. Yeah, we'll see what this earnings play brings about. Free Pony. What's going on? Um yeah, I think this could be a cool little pullbacker. Hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. New day. I'm still on. I do not want to lose more than 2R in a day. I just don't want to give back. Like once I take two bad trades, it's over. It's just we're gonna call it. I appreciate it, Q Wave Rider. What's going on, man? Um, I'm realizing less is more, man. I'm kind of a gunslinger, and I like jumping in a bunch of trades at the same time just because it's fun to trade. But as far as being profitable, that's not the move. So I've just been trying to slow it down, take one or two trades a day. Yeah, exactly. And just be content with those results. My window of time, literally that first hour, man. Like every time I try to take trades later in the day, it never works out. It's always like, why didn't I just, like I trade the open, Big facts, Q. So yeah, I just being real patient and waiting for confirmation, being okay with missing the trade. Like being okay with missing the trade. That's like tough, man. It just messes with me. It makes me like, yeah, I know the rules say this, but if I don't act now, I'm gonna miss this whole thing. Like that's how it be in the moment. But I have to be like, hey man, if it don't set up, then I'm gonna just wait for the next one. You know what Gucci man say? Stocks are like buses, miss one, next 15, one coming. Just gotta chill, man. Just chill and take my setup, man. Trying to be a large cap business. Man, EVGO went down to the dip. Like that 6 level too. Dang, I almost put a line right over the top of that. And that was just gonna go. I need to cancel that alarm. I don't even use it. Whoa, SE. Oh my God. Y'all see SE over here? That thing dropped to VWAP and bounced like crazy. Oh my God. Bruh. That's crazy, man. Ain't getting no parts of that. Bro, why is there no VWAP over here? Is it really that far away? It is. All right, shop. Come on down. Come on down. Bro, SE just went crazy, man. BTCT. It sure did gap up a lot. Yo, son. Dang. Dang, man. What is going on with these, bruh? Hmm. Hmm. DJT, oh, that daily is struggling. I think DJT is doomed. EVGO keeps breaking low. Testing $6 now. Getting some volume though. Or not. Yeah, I don't know, man. DJT looks sketchy. Kind of wanted to get shop right here at 106.50, man. Is that crazy? Wow, look at the SPY. Sig, you still be trading the SPY? I show one of my entry below 106. Bro, the SPY is, look at the SPY. Has it been to 600 yet? Golly. SPY is going crazy. Yo, look at this shot play, yo. I think we have found our stock, yo. We just got to make it to highs, man. Oh, wait, I should be able to have a stop and a take profit order with this stock. 8 shares. Stop. Market. And let's take 4 out at all right, here we go. Dun 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 dun. EVGO doing a little dance down here. What is this here? 577, 575. Thank you, sir. I like it wasn't like it didn't give me a narrow range entry, but I was just looking at how many times it came down and bounced hard off of 6. I mean 106. Came down here, bought right up, then it came down again and big old bounce up. And this one's on some nice volume. So I thought it was a pretty good spot to try it out. 3 candles in a row holding 106. Thought that was a pretty decent thesis. And it appears to be working out. I'm gonna be so happy just to hit that take profit, yo. Pre-market high 111.09. Let's see what EVGO talking about over here. Nah, she's breaking. She's breaking. Yeah, I think we good, man. Definitely we get to this take profit. I'm definitely not taking anything else. I'm tempted to take some out at 110. 107 to 110. $3 by 8. That's pretty decent. I just feel like we could hit pre-market. I mean, it's got great earnings, big gap up. If we can get through this high, I think we're good to go. Boy, SE, you need to do that. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right through the high of day like nothing. Like a wet paper bag. Straight to the profit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Take out that pre-market. You can do it. Where Bugs at? I gotta get my iPad back going, man. I don't know what happened with my hot buttons. Yeah, we in there, baby. Yes, sir. Took half off. We sitting at 3R, man. We sitting at 3R. Hey. We sitting at 3R on the day. Still got half my shares. We will go ahead and put this stop at break even. Actually, what is this? We'll go 107.47. Stop sell. Ooh. uh, hey yo, hey yo. Shoot, we chilling, man. Stopping the money. Took half off already. Sitting at, well, now I'm tripping. I keep thinking the $5 on the R's. We got 1.5 R because I'm risking $10 a trade. So 1.5 R. Took out pre-market highs. Now what? Man, I hope it can hold 110. Man, I wish I could have got this entry below 106.5 next time. Next time I'm diving in. The spy. Oh, stupid spy. I hate watching stocks that depend on the spy. I hope the spy go to 600, man. You doubled your size on Tesla. I haven't looked at Tesla yet. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that looks kind of nice. That looks kind of nice right there, man. If your metro don't trust you, beautiful morning. You short, huh? Are you short Tesla? Let's go ahead and chill at break even. The EVGO finally find the bottom. Yo, Kizzy Bop, what's good? How we looking today, Kizzy? Nice. Makes sense. Dang, bro, it's gonna come all the way back in. And shop really trying to come all the way back in. Yeah. Yeah, man, Kizzy, I took my unrealized off the screen so I can stop trading my P&L so much. Trying to stop trading my P&L so much. I want to just get to where I'm trading the chart, man. Selling where you're supposed to sell, you know, and not really tripping on the money until it's realized. What would help your Tesla? Dang, shop. Come on, shop. Perfect place to bounce. What you mean, Pharaoh? Oh, cool, calm, and collected. Yeah, I'm chilling, man. Playing these reversals has changed everything for me. Just like my mentality when I'm sitting here watching things go up, like the FOMO is not it's not as bad. It's not as bad at the wrong time. Dang, Foxo worked out really well, Q. Like EVGO is not working. Yeah, I could have left that alone. It feels like it, man. It definitely feels like it. Yeah. I mean, the only reason I even have this right here is for the stream. Like, literally. Man, I'm gonna wait, but I might be trying EVGO again. I need at least a double bottom or a higher high though. I mean, I need a higher high plus a double bottom or something. Got to show me something. Yeah, man, your level of chill is always impressive, bro. Mm. Here's the actual confirmation that I should have been waiting for coming in right now, but it's actually wicked through the lows again. Well, that's a wrap. Yeah, I'm regretting this one just cause. Oh snap! Oh, okay. Dang! I just realized if I double click on any of my charts, it changes my link color. Yeah, you was right, Q. You was right. I just got, if there's a reason to not look at something, just don't look at it, bro. And then the two swings, but there's my 2R loss limit, so definitely done trading for today. The cool thing is that I have this lovely position on shop, and at the very least, I'm pretty sure we can make this a break even day. Uh, 8, 11. Dang, you gonna test my gangster with my stop already? Don't test my gangster. Sitting here over pre-market highs on shop. Can we take out the high of day? High of day is 111.63. Current high 111.48. 50s. No. Yep, 57 now. Coin? Nah. I didn't even look at coin today. Wow. I definitely could have got in some Mara though. Mara gave a nice entry there down there. Come on, shop. I started to take out a quarter up here. Like, why not? I really like to hold my next sell for 112 though. least. Look at that thing holding 110. Yeah, get on back up there. Mm, Come on, shop. We got stuff to do. Oh, wow. Hey, we cooking over here, though. Ah, did I miss it? All right, we got the break even day. Shoot, got almost $3 locked with my stop right now. $3 a share. So that'll be another $9. So I think we got 3R locked. Just trying to see if we can get a little bit more. A little bit more. Man, what y'all do to the spy, yo? Man, DOS is just getting cooler by the day, man. Being able to double click my watch charts over here and it go to my montage, that's pretty cool. And it loads the price. So if I see something over here on my watch, I can click where I want my stop and it'll load in my montage and I just hit my hotkey. Boom. All right, shop over 112, y'all. I think it's official. Where my chef at? Where is he at? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We up $5 a share. Come on, 113. What's up on 113? Oh, really? On Discord? Invalid shares. Oh, I can't sell a quarter when I got three. Is that really how it works? That's whack. Hey man, I figured they would round up. Like, thought they wrote the code a little more dynamically. I gotta say, y'all, my executions have been getting real fire, yo. Yo, bought down here by the lows, sold up here at the highs, sold at this high, and at this high. That's bruh. I ain't trying to toot my own horn, but I'm impressed with myself. Yo, OBS isn't showing me any data as far as my stream. That's weird. There we go. Okay, here we go. SE finally turned around. It took too long and didn't do it right. Like it wasn't pretty. Blow that horn. uh, yo, give me another high. I'm moving my stop up here under 12. Come on, man. One more high. So let me get one more high. I don't know. I think I might just call it quits in 112 anyway. That'd be another $10. Be up an hour and a half on the day. Yeah, I don't think I want to give up a whole nother dollar. The US? What you mean? 112.85. Did I get that off at 13? Oh, you talking about because of daylight savings? That's funny. Yeah, buddy. Another new high a day. Yeah, look at that, man. 113. I really want to see my unrealized now. Sometimes I feel like you need to see that unrealized so you know, like, hey, man, it's time to take it off the table, bro. Like, it's time. Like, here, man, I want to give $1 back because that's $2. Like, do I just call it at 113? Nah, we good. We done already took enough out. Stops up pretty high. Let's just see where this goes from here. It's gotta pull back eventually though. Like it's well, let's check out these higher time frames. Didn't I say I didn't want these executions on the chart? What was that? Configure. I think I had to go to it was like configure chart area or something. Chart area. There we go. There we go. Nah, it's 2 hours, bro. Is it? No, it's an hour. It's an hour for us. I'm surprised at the half hour. Yeah, I know. Hey, we still rolling on I'm keeping a tight leash on this bad boy though, cause she's pretty extended. Trend line. Ah. Small caps back now. Yeah. Trading some pre-market, man. Bitcoin mining in their PRs. Yeah, all you gotta do is like for a while, all you had to do was mention AI and it was automatic. Oh, look at shop, yo. I should have sold one up there. Go back up one more time. 3R on Tesla. Big picture setup. Man, if you can break this low and start moving further, like imagine going all the way back down to 328, 330. That would be pretty wild. That's got to be the turnaround. Well, we made out pretty good. We out of shop, y'all. We made out pretty good on shop. Pretty good. Really happy with my executions. Um, well, you know it went well when my chart got a trend line at the end. Every chart that I've drawn a trend line on, it's just like it's gone up so much, and now I'm looking for a little assistance managing my stop loss, and so I gotta whip out the trend line. I know, bro. Took it twice too, man. Yeah. I took a try down here at yesterday's high and it failed, and then I took it again right here. This was dumb right here. Both of these was dumb and unnecessary, honestly. Um, I don't like it when it takes like a third leg down. I've kind of noticed that the first or second leg is just like, all right, that's just part of the sell off. But that third one is just like, man, you just gonna keep pushing down levels, like you're bearish, you know, and it's just so unnecessary because I was in such a good trade on shop, and that's really all I want is I just want to find that one good trade and then get it, and this was the biggest gap, highest volume stock of the day. Like, there's no reason to trade anything else except maybe SE, but it did its move in the first 3 minutes. So this was it, man. This was it. I gotta figure out how to stay out of that extra trade when I'm cooking already. Wow, now it looks like it wants to reverse. It sure does. It sure does. I can't do it though, man. The rules are so important, man. Like, even if I were to get this back right now, it's just not worth it to me anymore. It's not worth it. And actually, I'm still within my trade window, but I've already lost 2R on the day. So that's my maximum. My maximum that I allow the market to take out of my account is 2R. Nah, I'm not taking it, bro. I'm not taking it. My edge isn't down here. My edge is up here. So once it gets down here and this far into the day, I'm good. I'm good. I got nice 4R trade on shop. Get to go home with two of it. Gotta be happy with that, man. And these are just it feels mediocre because I'm only risking $10 a share, and 2R isn't like super exciting, but from a statistical standpoint, it's good and it can be scaled. And if I can do this every day, you know, 2R is fine. If I can average 2R a day, like, bruh, we can definitely eat off of that. You know, just gotta up the R's eventually. But man, I feel like a totally different trader now. Yeah, I feel like a totally different trader. Like, the way I'm looking at the market and the way I'm executing in the market is just completely different. And I just still got a few of these bad habits that leak in, but um I think this is like one of the last things I got to really get in check is just being good with my good trade. Man, the reversals, Trey, the reversals. Oh my god. Oh my god, being a contrarian on strong stocks, man, just like it's strong by the dip. It's going up today, eventually, most likely. So buy the freaking dip. I've consistently caught one of these like just about every day. That part has been consistent. The problem is I also jump in one of these each day. That's my only problem. I literally, though, when I got in shop and it started working, like when it broke this high and I took profit, I really was like, all right, let's close all of this down. Like, we got my winning trade, took profit in the money. There's no reason to do anything else. Like, I found that thing that I was looking for today. So that's kind of where I'm moving my mindset is I'm just looking for one. you know. Cause like look at the trades though. Like these reversals, man, the risk to reward has been amazing. Like 4R on shop today. Yes, what did we do yesterday? I can't even remember yesterday's trade. What was yesterday? Uh Dang, what was yesterday? What did we trade? What did I trade yesterday, y'all? Still lost money. I wish I'd have seen these last little updates you gave me in the Discord, Trey, on EVGO. They still lost money. DJT was yesterday. It didn't even have a good daily either. Oh yeah, there's my trend line from yesterday. I'm telling you, boy. That trend line is a clue. Man, I traded the heck out of this yesterday. But yeah, the risk to reward is crazy. Yeah, bro, selling the pieces, man. That's a huge game changer, man. Huge game changer. Yeah, for sure. It's satisfying both sides of this deal. I started to move my stop down to here to let this thing ride because I knew it needed a little bit of a pullback. I was being super aggressive with my one share, but it's all good. Um, yeah, taking the shares out, it changes a lot. Like once I take this profit out, now it's like you can relax, move your stop to break even. You already won. Now you just seeing, how much gravy you can get on top of it, you know? And bruh, these executions, yo. Dang, we got 114 on shop. Uh yeah, I think everything's evolved in a really good way. And now it's like, so yesterday I got a confession. Yesterday I was sitting at my desk, still had my platform up, and I took two more trades off the stream and lost 2R. So yesterday's, what was it? 1.5R Green Day ended up $8 red. Almost an R red. And at that point it was like, all right, I'm absolutely convinced now that I do not need to be. I'm never taking any more trades after my cutoff time because it's just like I've noticed that the edge that I think I have in whatever pattern I think I see at that time of the day, it just don't work, man. It's just I'm here to trade the opening momentum, and then after that, I got to like there's another strategy that needs to be implemented at that time of the day, and I don't have that, so I'm done. Like I don't want to take any more trades after the initial moves off the open. And yeah, so and this happened one time last week too, where I had a green day and turned it red. Last week though, it turned into a max loss day, which was like really sad. But yeah. Like last week could have been super green if I didn't have a day where I came back and took some more trades. And same thing this week. I'm missing a bit because of that. Why didn't it import Monday? Oh, is that why? There we go. Yeah. So this is how we looking. I think it was Thursday. Yeah, Thursday that I was up and I came back and traded into the red. What's up, Jack? And then yesterday I was up and then took a couple more trades after the stream. So we're definitely done with that. That's a wrap. I'm done with that and I'm done. The reason I was able when I ain't gonna say that because I had already lost more than 2R. But just being able to walk away down 1R after being up, this is also quite an accomplishment because going green, being green and going red is it's hard to walk away like that without going max loss. Because I'm like, bro, there's no way I'm accepting that I've ruined my day, you know. So I am even though I messed this day up, I'm happy that I was able to walk away without the platform kicking me out because I just couldn't stop. Yeah, bro. I took 2 trades after I got off the stream, man. I just couldn't help it, man. I took one trade and then it stopped out, and then I took another one on the same thing because I was upset that it stopped me out. You know, typical old habits of mine. But yeah, this was big, and then this was like, all right, I learned my lesson here, but let me just. This looks like a really good setup. Let me just take it. And yeah, so I think this day hurt my feelings enough and made it really clear after that day, like, bruh, we're almost there. You're doing great. You just got you. We're done trading at 10:30, man. We're done. So that being done trading, when I say I'm done trading, and only giving back 2R a day to the market. Not a 2R max loss, but only giving up 2R to the market. So those two things are I think the main things that are left that are tripping me up right now. But even with that, last week I was still able to finish up green, and after today, I'm up 1R on this week. So I just gotta. I honestly, I don't want to speak too far ahead, but it feels like I'm here, man. I know I haven't proven it yet, but just like the days that I've been having, sitting down and not going crazy, not crashing out. These are actually these two are crash out days. So yeah, I'm getting ahead of myself making these statements right now. Having 2 crash out days last week, but um, man, what happened here? How's I 11 trades at 276? This day was wild too. Oh, this is the day that I got my platform like what is this? I don't know what this day was. Yeah, I definitely took some trades after I should have made a nice trade on Tesla though. Yeah, see, this is when I gave back my hymns. I gave back some of my hymns trade. Yeah, I know y'all, but I'm done with that life, man. I'm hella done with that life. I'm just less is more. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna take my one trade and like maybe two trades, but I honestly, man, once I find that one that's working, I don't feel the need to try to take another trade. Like the only reason to take a second trade for real is if I get in one and it stops me out like right away. Like it just crashes out. I'm like, okay, that wasn't it. And then, look and see if there's something else setting up. But to take a trade and it's working out great and I've taken profit already, it's just no reason to take another trade. I don't know. If I'm putting the right things in front of me, like EVGO should not have been in front of me. I had both of my bros telling me, nah, that ain't it. Trey and Q was like, nah. Nah, that ain't it, bro. Like just look at just the dailies. EVGO's daily versus SE with the huge gap up and shop with the huge gap up. No resistance to be found. So definitely quite a big difference there. So yeah, another good lesson in putting the right things in front of me and being good when you got something good going, man. Just being cool. Yeah, man. 941. All right. But I gotta get out of here, y'all. I gotta try to make it to the gym before I gotta get to work. And I feel like we on to something, man. I feel like we on to something. These reversals are proving to be pretty good. Like I haven't been catching them. Like normally I would buy something like this maybe right here and I would have got stopped out right there. I wouldn't have taken profit up there, just like a lot of improvements, man. Yeah, I know, Jack. That's big. And that's like why I just got it. When I get off the stream, I think I doing the review video during while there's trading, like it's a bad move. Cause bro, I've actually taken some trades on review videos before. Like just sitting here at my platform trying to talk about trading and it's like, ooh, this looks good over here. Hold on, y'all. Let me try. What's up, man? What's the tip? What you mean? Yeah, but I think pretty much when I get off the stream, I'm closing the platform out and then, I'll come back after the close and then do a review video. Sim triangle BTCT. Wow. Jeez. Dang, this is wild. $7 to 973 in 3 candles. Jeez. Man, if you didn't get in. I used to take these kind of trades all the time. A little narrow range, higher lows at VWAP. Oh man. Get in there with like 5 cent risk. That would be crazy. uh, and it's halted. All right, though. But I'm out of here, y'all. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Y'all see the progress? We getting there? I feel like we getting there, man. It feels good. This is a really good start to the month. I'm hoping that I can not have any more. Where's my trader sync window? Did I close it? Any more max loss days? My platform max loss is set to 30. But my mental, like my personal max loss is 20, which is 2R. And I should never get to the point where my platform is kicking me off. Like I want to move my max loss on the platform to 20, but I also want to be able to do it myself. You know, I need to be able to stop myself without needing somebody to like it's like I need somebody to come and push me out of my chair and kick me out of the room. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. It can't be that bad, you know. So I'm doing much better. I'm feeling much better about everything. It's the thought processes that have changed, and realizing that less is more. One trade a day is good. And if I'm focused on one trade, then I can take really good executions by just reading the volume and looking at the price action. You know, look at these executions, yo. It's freaking amazing to me. Like, bruh. Oh man, it's freaking amazing. But anyway, enough about me. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me, man. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Got the Discord link in the description. Y'all want to chop it up outside of the stream. Um, Man, we trying to get there, y'all. Oh, so close. I'm so excited to see how this month ends, you know. Um, Man, I can't believe 2024 is almost over, man. It feels like I just started this journey. And I if you would have asked me in the beginning, I would definitely thought I would have been profitable by now. It's just like you just don't know the path that you need to walk through to get to where you're trying to go. But we'll see, man. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Be safe out there. Peace.